Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix unequal column heights in WordPress using the Gutenberg. Let's begin. First open your WordPress, go and log into your account and make sure to sign in using the Google option so you can easily access your dashboard. From your dashboard, I want you to go to the quick links section over here and left click on the edit side so you can easily enter the page editor. From there, click on the column you want to adjust and make sure it's active for editing. So let me locate any columns here. So I have one over here. Okay. Now in the editor toolbar over here, click on the align icon. This is what we need. Okay. So click on it. Then you should now have the option to have more settings available to you. Click on or select the option for the stretch to fill. This will make your columns equal height automatically. All right. And it will automatically do this for you once you click on it. And that's it. Make sure to hit save over here and you're done. Your columns are now perfectly aligned, giving your site a clean and more professional look. I hope you found this video very helpful.